Okay.
He came here. He came to Dawson in 25th of June in '97.
Yeah, 1897.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So he passed down here to the boat.
Did he go back to Norway after the gold rush?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In 1900 he went from White Horse.
Yeah.
Or from
Dawson.
to
Yeah.
White Horse to Skagway and went home to Seattle and,
Yeah.
and back to Norway.
Yeah.
So
Say that the guy.
he was a partner with one famous gold miner called Charles Anderson.
Charles Anderson? Yeah.
Swede.
Yeah.
He was a partner with him.
Yeah.
Is that a movie
So
camera?
he worked. He started working for him as a foreman,
Yeah.
and then he got a part in his mine in El Dorado 29
Yeah.
mine. And he had also had two friends with him here. But they died.
Uh-huh.
The one of them was going under the ice,
Yeah.
and the other got this fever.
Oh.
So, like,
Uh-huh. There, not there's maybe, I don't know, there wasn't that many people, you know. It had so many people that came to that. As the Dawson City swelled up to 30,000
yeah,
people, you know, and all the ground was staked out,
yeah,
and so
yeah. It
a
also,
lot of people came out of there broke.
He came really early, but also in the summer in '97 the stakes was
Yeah.
no more stakes in, especially at the most richest places. There were
Yeah, they were all taken.
yeah,
Yeah. Well, after the gold rush, the hydraulic mining
yeah,
company went in there, eh?
yeah,
Yeah. They dredged out the whole valley there.
yeah. And it's still going on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And hydraulic dredging ended in 1960, I think. And now they're all high-tech type of placer mining going on up there. They
Yeah.
still go get them gold out of there.
Yeah, we went we met a gold miner there, and I told him the story, and he was very interested.
Yeah.
And we tried to pen some gold at his claim
Yeah.
just for fun, and we found us a few small gold pieces.
Little gold dust.
Yeah,
they call it.
dust.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
So you came directly from Norway?
Yeah, me.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I came directly. We took plane from Oslo to Netherlands, Amsterdam,
Mm-hmm.
and over to Seattle,
Yeah.
and up to Juneau,
Jono.
and also to Skagway.
Skagway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we did the Chilcot Trail.
Chilcot Trail. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. That would have been the route your grandpa took, I guess.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
He was there.
Yeah.
It started from Dai at
Dai. Yeah.
Dai about 1st of January
Yeah.
in '97.
And to
And he used 6 months.
through Lake Lindeman and
Yeah.
Lake Bennett.
Yeah, when he was passing Lake Lindeman, it still were ice there, so he just went with the sleds over the ice. So we built this boat and at Lake Bennett.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just to go down, I think we got to go against the stream for
Yeah.
a bit to catch the main stream.
Did someone stop there already, or?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's two boats up there. Yeah.
David
Okay.
Johnny went up and he came back,
Okay. I don't
so
know.
he would know what's going on.
They had this canoe with them,
Yeah,
so they
they're
were
able to-
he could take care of his family down here. He said
How big a boat is it?
it's a canoe about
Yeah,
I
yes,
mean, the
Oh.
boat that got stuck.
what 7 meters or something.
Yeah, 20.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this year's down.
Oh.
I think 98 was the most we had.
Yeah. We haven't seen much people down there.
Last year we had 150 Czechoslovakians, all in one shot.
150 Czechoslovakian.
Yeah.
It's the same time?
Yeah, all the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They travel in groups.
Yeah.
That's what they say. Wherever
Yeah.
they go, they travel in groups.
The,
By boat?
The
By
canoe
boat?
down.
yeah.
By
yeah,
canoe?
Yeah.
We
They
have
had
a
all big canoes, eh? What do they call it? Warrior's canoe?
warrior.
Yeah, warrior canoe.
Warrior
What's
canoe.
that's like
Like the whole, you know,
yeah.
North American warrior canoe, they
Yeah.
call it. Those big ones.
Oh yeah, those big ones.
Yeah,
Yeah.
big
Okay.
ones,
Yeah.
yeah.
You can probably have 10, 12
Yeah,
persons.
12 person canoe, yeah.
Yeah.
A lot
Oh, I
of them
know.
had regular canoes too.
A lot of that regular canoe.
I saw a black bear chasing a sheep across there.
Oh. Probably.
I took a picture, and all you see is just a white blur and black blur.
Yeah.
No, you can't see it very good.
No, it's
Yeah.
probably too far.
Yeah.
For 10 minutter siden så vi med kikkert en bjørn som svømte over hele elva her, men det er for langt hold til å filme da. Vi så bare hodet stakk opp, og han gikk på land inni den her bukta borte der. Og så vidt vi så hodet. Men det var helt tydelig en bjørn. Ja, da er vi på indianergravstedet i Fort Selkirk. Kirka. Ja, nå er vi inne i kirka. Da dukka plutselig Discovery-familien opp. Da fikk hun hjelp av flere indianere som greide å dra båten på en annen kanal i elva. Med hjelp av to båter pluss en traktor.